In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically change weak passwords from one dashboard, making it easier and more secure to keep all your accounts protected. This method will save you time, reduce your risk of being hacked, and keep your passwords strong without needing to manually update them one by one. Now, the software we'll be using is designed to simplify the process and allow you to manage everything from one place. The key feature, it automatically detects weak passwords and prompts you to change them with just a few clicks. This software is intuitive, reliable, and helps you stay ahead of security threats without the hassle of manually checking each account. First, let's get started. After logging into the dashboard of our software, you'll notice an overview of all your accounts and passwords. The software scans your accounts for weak passwords. These are typically the ones that are either too short or too predictable, and flags them right away. You'll see a list of accounts with these weak passwords, and from there, you can choose which ones to update. To automatically change a weak password, simply click on the flagged account. The software will generate a new, strong password for you, and all you need to do is approve it. With a single click, the new password is applied, and you're done. You don't need to remember or manually create these complex passwords, and it saves you from having to go into each account individually. For those who want even more control, our software also gives you the option to set up recurring scans. This ensures that even if your passwords become weak over time, they're automatically flagged and changed as needed. You can set up notifications, so you're alerted when any of your passwords need updating, and the software will automatically initiate the changes in the background. It's as hands-off as it gets, keeping your accounts protected without you lifting a finger. In addition, all of this can be done from one central dashboard. You can track the health of your passwords, monitor any recent changes, and even see a history of which accounts had weak passwords and when they were updated. Everything is streamlined and simplified for easy management. If you're wondering how to get started, I've got you covered. I've tested all the most popular software options out there, and I've linked an exclusive free trial of the one we're using in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it while it's available and follow along to get your passwords in tip-top shape. Now, to recap the main points. You can automatically change weak passwords from one dashboard with just a few clicks, and by using this software, you can make password management effortless and secure. With the automatic scans and updates, your passwords stay strong without you having to think about them. And remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description to make it even easier to protect your accounts. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.